Welcome, in front of me I have Suunto 7 and I'm gonna show you how to edit the tiles. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, tap on the screen twice or press the left upper button. Now, let's swipe left on the screen to browse through the tiles. Here we have the tiles, as you can see. And to edit them, simply press and hold on one to open the editing mode. And here we can, for example, change the order of the tiles by tapping on the arrows to move them, like this. We can also add new tile by swiping left on the screen, scrolling to the add tile option, tapping on it. And here we can select the tile from the list. For example, let's select hand wash timer. And we can also remove the tile by swiping up on it, like this. And once you're done, simply press the left upper button to save your settings and go back. And now when we open the tiles, as you can see, here we have our wash hands timer and the other one is gone. We can also edit the tiles by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. On the phone, let's open the Google Wear OS app. In the app, let's select option called Tiles. And here we have, as you can see, our tiles. We can tap on plus button to add new one. For example, heart rate. We can also change the order of them by pressing and holding on one, or rather on this icon on the right side here, and you can drag it to the place you want it to be on the list. And to remove the tile right here, simply swipe right on it, like that. And once you're done, simply go back, and now we can check our watch. So let's wake up the screen and go through our tiles. And that's how you edit the tiles on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.